Welcome to this second tutorial on PowerConnect. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make further changes to your model before you commit to a simulation. As you can see, we're following on from tutorial 1 and this is the model. To select parts of the model, you just use your left mouse key and click onto the model, and then it will highlight that part of the model that you have selected. If you double click on a part of the model, it will bring up an information screen which allows you to make further changes. So once again, the total width is specified as letters C and B. If you click on this symbol here, you can then get the information up which tells you what CB stands for. You can overwrite that information if you so wish, and you can see that the upper extension U1 is specified as 10mm. You can change the flange welds as including the web welds, or you can specify different materials by clicking on here and then changing the steel information as well. So you have a lot more choice and a lot more exposure to features by double clicking onto any parts of the connection. If you was to select a part of your model by left clicking and then right mouse clicking, it brings you the options to add further elements to your model, such as a left-handed side beam. You can add in a backing plate, and in this example we're just going to use the upper stiffener right hand side. I'm just going to select that and click OK, and there you see it immediately puts in the model for you to look at. As I said earlier, if you double click on the model, you then will bring up further information for you to be able to change. So for instance, if you wanted to change this information to move down the plate, you want to do a transverse stiffener, then all you need to do is specify the increments you want to do. 10mm 1. I'm doing 10 so that you get the better visualization of what's happening, and you just push the down arrow key and it will move. It calculates the angle and it will put it to that position, and the same on the other side. If you want to make it transverse, which moves them both down together, you can just click like this, or you can specify a certain length based upon this diagram again, with CT being the web thickness, web height, shall we say. If you decide you don't need that element any further, you select it and then right click on it. You can actually then remove the element that you just added and it will be gone. This concludes tutorial 2. Thank you for listening. In tutorial 3 we'll show you how you can modify the bolts and the welds within PowerConnect.